Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to do an in-depth analysis real quick on US dollar Japanese yen, where we closed off the week Friday on NFP day. I think we had a big rejection, so I want to do a little more in-depth analysis here because I think we're at a very important juncture. And in fact, I definitely know we are. I think this is going to be a great setup going into next week, and I want to give you a closer look as to what I'm looking at here. The fact that we weren't able to break out of here with positive NFP data, good numbers, and the dollar rallying going into last week tells me that we're in for a bigger rejection. So this is a critical level. It's a huge trend line that we've been unable to break out of. So until we can break above here, the risk is to the downside. Like, I love these setups because you have your risk to reward so clearly defined, because we have, this being the reward that potentially we stay in this formation, which we've been in for years now. So we can set our risk above this last high here, which we are in multiple positions in on Friday that I said, we cleared a couple take profits right after NFP, and we're set up for a good gap lower because potentially news concerning the coronavirus has not been good. I've been reading it on Twitter. So it seems that the problem's expanding exponentially. So it's not getting better. So from this low here to the high, this is the rejection. I think this 38.2 is a very good near-term target. You can see I've done a few videos on supply and demand zones lately. You could even kind of consider this a bit of a demand zone for the price. Maybe we get some sort of bounce up and down and a range here like we have been doing, which is probably pretty likely. But maybe we get an acceleration lower. The S&P 500 keeps moving up and down. We have this huge divergence. We made all-time highs and then retraced a bit on Friday and gave a bit of those gains back. So we can see if we continue to move higher or if we continue to push lower. And if we do push lower, then you can really expect the dollar yen to pick up some momentum to the downside here. Looking for a gap to start out the week on Sunday, and depending on the velocity of the size of the gap, then we'll see how the rest of the week unfolds. But long-term target, we have this lower trend line here. So this shouldn't be discounted. If we are able to break below this 108.3 level, then you can really count on this 105.6 being targeted long-term. And on the other side of that coin, we do break above this former high, then you can really expect an acceleration upwards. And this would be, most likely some sort of cure or resolution to the coronavirus happens. The S&P keeps rallying higher, and that would really cause us to break out of here. But it's going to take a big deal for that to happen. And the reason I want to shoot this video is that despite all the good data on NFP on Friday, that wasn't a big enough deal for this to be able to break out. So it's hard to foresee what could be. So definitely going to be watching US dollar Japanese yen as we come into the week. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and we're going to be crushing it in the VIP group this week all over US dollar yen. So hope to see you in there. Click on the links below to get started. Peace.